Hi guys, welcome back. I've had to film this video a couple times now. I'm having such an issue with lighting. My fancy curtain back here is actually a tablecloth, and I have black trash bags underneath it taped up on the window because this light's just coming in. And anyway, try again. Take 3. Scentsy body line. I wanted to film this video because every time I talk to somebody new about Scentsy, they always say, well, I didn't know Scentsy sold that, no matter what I'm talking about. So this body line, I have a lot of people tell me, well, I didn't know Scentsy sold that. So I'm going to tell you about it. These are just a few samplings of some of the Scentsy body products. I would say the #1 product that I sell is the Scentsy Soak, which is this great big old bag here. It's so soft. It comes in all the favorite scents, the Luna, the Shimmer, Lucky in Love, Amazon Rain. It's $12, but it's a good heavy-sized bag. It'll last you quite a while. And it's really good stuff, guys. Can't say enough about it. Second bestseller would probably have to be these bath bombs. Look at these bath bombs. Look how big they are and how pretty. I mean, you don't need to use this whole bath bomb in your bathtub. You can break this thing up. And it smells so good. So good. Mother's Day is coming up. Just saying. Then we also have some hand soaps, body wash, body creams, like hand lotions. And we have a new special bundle. If you go to the Scentsy website, hopefully you know about the bundle and save, where you can get 6 wax bars for $30 and get one free kind of thing. Well, there's a new bundle called the Moisture Medley. It's $31, but you get 4 items, and you can pick which scent. You don't have to get 4 the same. You get a body wash, a hand soap, a lotion, and a cream for $31. And you can pick all the same scent, or you can mix and match it. It is a great deal. It's like getting the soap for free, basically. And even better, I mean, the way to do it is have me throw you a party, Facebook party, in-home party. Get you a party. Get your free and half-priced items. The Moisture Medley can count towards your free and half-price items, which is just a great deal, because what's better than free? So just wanted to let you guys know, show you a few of these body products. I love them. They smell so good, and I know you will love them. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.